Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi has written a letter to popular lawyer and activist Barrister Deji Adeoju, telling him to retract the words he has always said or posted on the social media about Peter Obi, or else he will face defamation suits in the court of law. Now, some people don't carry this information, say, Peter Obi don't sue Deji. No, what he wrote is a letter demanding for apology, else he will be sued. More no mistake, and this is why sometimes, so be very careful of where you get your report from so that you know what you are consuming. Peter Obi has not sued Deji. What he wrote is a letter telling him that what you've been posting on social media over the years has been defamatory. You must retract it and apologize. If you don't apologize, we will take you to court so that you will prove those words that you'll be saying. Now, Deji, who is not a supporter of Peter Obi, has always been an advocate of anti-Peter Obi system. In fact, he has called the Peter Obi supporters different names. At the time, he even called Peter Obi a leader of mob. At the time, he called Peter Obi a fraudster, that Peter Obi tried to bribe him when they met together for a period of time. At the time, he called Peter so many names: a tribal bigot, a religious bigot. In fact, you not get waiting this guy never typed against Peter Obi. But the last one where we say bust everywhere was the last tweet he posted some few days back about Peter Obi, when he said Peter Obi would never become the president of Nigeria as long as the obedience are there. And apart from that, he said Peter Obi is a leader of a mob, that it is even better if they vote for Tinubu than for him to vote for the leader of a mob. So things like this is what is making Peter Obi to demand an apology, or he is going to face a lawsuit, because Peter Obi is saying he's not a leader of any mob, and he does not know when he became a fraudster. He does not know where these words are coming from Barrister Deji. Now, Barrister Deji, on the other hand, who serves as a lawyer and as an activist, we need to do better. Although some people get the belief, say this Barrister Deji, they talk too much on social media for somebody who is actually a lawyer, and sometimes he's always standing on the wrong side of things. People, how na see this matter? It's good as Peter Obi write this letter to caution her, because this is not a lawsuit. Although you will read from many blogs that say this is a lawsuit. No, we get problem with reading. If you settle down, just sit down, read. You go say, this is not a lawsuit, but a letter demanding for apology, or he's going to face a defamatory suit.